What is Binance Red Pocket? Binance Red Pocket is a feature that allows users to distribute cryptocurrency to multiple recipients easily. It is a great tool for giveaway, promotions, and engaging your community. Users can create a Red Pocket with a specified amount of cryptocurrency and share the redemption code with others who can claim a portion of the pocket. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can create your own Binance Red Pocket. Let's go to Binance right now. When you come to Binance, you click on the Binance logo by the side. Once you click on it, you click on Pay. Once you're here, you click on Red Pocket. Now, before you do this, make sure you already have the cryptocurrency you want to share on your funding account or your spot account. Let's say, for example, you want to give away USDT. You must have USDT on your funding or your spot account or any coin of your choice. Now, once you are here, you have to click on Create. Now, by default, sometimes it will take you to Receive, but just come to Send. Once you're here, you click on Create. Once you click on Create, you find yourself here. Now, the first two options you can actually see on top, which is the random and the fixed. Now, random means that people can actually receive any amount of value gift you are giving them. Now, the fixed means that people will receive a fixed amount of gift. So depending on what you want to do, you just have to select it the way you want to do it. Now here, this is where you put in the number of people you want to gift. Now, which is the numbers of gifts. And in this case, let's say you want to give the gift to 100 people or 1,000 people, whatever, you just type it manually. But in this case, I'll just put in 20. Now, this is where you put in the amount and also select the cryptocurrency you want to give away or you want to give out. So you can click on the USDT option if you want to select any cryptocurrency. In this case, I have dogs, I have Nero, and I also have USDT. But I want to give away my dog, for example. I click on it. Now, this is where I put in the amount of dogs I want to give away. Let's say I want to give away 3,000 dogs. I type in 3,000. Now, which is equivalent to $2.16. Now, this is where I type in whatever wishes I want. You could just type in whatever you want, but in this case, I want to leave it like this. Then you click on Continue. Now, once you click on Continue, you can see I have insufficient amount of dogs to do this. The dogs I have in my wallet is averagely 13,000. But for me to give away this to 20 people, I need to have up to 60,000 dogs. But I'm going to go back. I'm going to reduce. I'm going to take it back. Let's put it another number. Let's click on Create again. Let me put in, for example, 2. I select dogs. Put in 5,000. Let me put in 3,000. Then click on Continue. As you can see I'm actually giving away these amounts of dogs. I click on Continue. I just have to put in my PIN. You just have to manually put in your PIN. Okay, so this is the code you have to send to people. You can actually copy this link and send it to people so that they can click on it and redeem it immediately. Or you can send them this particular code. You can just copy it and send it to your group, your community, to your friends, whoever you want to gift. Or you could just save image. If you click on Save Image, you will download this QR code image and send it to them. Those people can easily upload it on their Binance and claim the giveaway. So that is how simple you can actually create your Binance Red Pocket. I believe you understand everything. If you have any question, drop your question in the comment section. I will answer all your questions. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another one.